Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. So today I have a mystery unboxing that I am doing. I purchased this mystery box from Hot Topic, and you can see it's a size large, extra large Mickey and Minnie Mouse. It was $20 plus tax, but the retail was $65. It looks like there might be 3 items since there's 3 different SKU numbers. But let's see what kind of goodies will be in this mystery box. Let me get this open. Oh, what's this? So, I see, ooh, what is this? So check this out. It's like a cosmetic bag. It's a makeup bag. Oh, I like it. It has Minnie and Mickey kissing. Oh, how cute. It has a little pouch for smaller items. That is cute. And then it also has the wristlet. Cute, cute. That is lined. So, like that, like that. Beautiful. And then these are probably way too big for me. These are like men's large, extra large. But we got these slippers, and the retail price on these are 20 bucks. So that's the purchase price already. I forgot to show this retail price is 10 bucks. Or sorry, 30 bucks. And then the last item, how cute. I think these are earphones. Yes, earphones. Awesome, awesome. So I think this was a good deal. And this retail for 15 bucks. So that is my mystery box. Thank you for stopping by today. Yeah, so every once in a while Hot Topic has these. And so, you know, visit your Hot Topic store, see if you can find a good deal on something you like. And for more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas.